Okay, so welcome to VGA, and we're gonna talk about the development part of everything. Oh, we should give you a look over here where we I have still a look sign right here to let you guys know you can link me, and it'll come right to my computer. And in case you really need to like develop your own media site, video, audio, or even need some work done on your media site, you can definitely give me a link. Or if you plan to have your own radio, your own online TVs, you can also link me and we can talk about how you can establish that. If you're working with WordPress site, we can also give you that because we are up with WordPress. PHP, HTML5, right? Database-driven websites. So we're just trying to like talk about, we're going to open up the studio so people can come in and create a few things, even use the site as a site where they might store all their pages and work and drive it from there to their website. Okay, so you can create your video page over here and your music pages and all that, and you can drive it to your website because you can always come over and change it. Also, as one would upgrade on this program here, you're going to be really upgrading to a database version while still have the use of the tools and everything in the site. But the upgrade version meaning that once you create the page and the page is saved, everything is saved in a individual row. So now you can come back and call your page back and you can edit a row in the page. That's going to be the upgrade to this system. So for those who have not seen the system, the VGA HTML5 Studio, and that we have a built-in HTML5 generator in the system, which is here, and it's not as sophisticated as this one, okay, but it's got a lot of features like that one. Okay, so over here we do still have our first generation of list playing system where we can grab something here, close this up. We're going to use this for the description actually, so we have to have something to fill the slot and everything. So this one is kind of built geared to just the 1-2 thing. Well, okay, you have a video, you grab a video title, you put a video description, right? You can select the type, which is, we can want to select other stuff, but with this particular player, if we select background like that, it will give the whole playing system a background. We'll demonstrate along the way, so we won't really select a background. And we'll just go ahead and charge that list and change a video to another video, and it's the same similar thing, so we go and do that. Now, to create this player that we just did, you need to open up this area right here, and it says a list template, and you click on it, right? And then you need to like press on live view, right? Okay. So, and let's clear this. Let's clear this. So let's override and clear this one. So, and let's close this guy out right here, and let's eliminate the list that we just created. And let us add an image to the actual thing that we did not. And let's redo the list and change the video back to 15 and that. And then we'll go back. So This is our display that we offer now in the studio, and you can, you know what I mean?
In 2166, an immortal tyrant. In 2166, an immortal tyrant.
So now, as we look at it, in the earlier part, I showed you the template. So this is there, but okay. An even more sophisticated version here, but I was changing the color here, so something's here, and it's like right there. You know what I mean? And it's putting the stuff in there in a different way, right? But that's not what I want to really show you. That's the template. Okay. So the way we have this template here and all that stuff there, that's what I just kind of went over to show you that this is there, but it prints no template. You know, it's on a blank page. So that's it. So we can also let's clear here for a moment and close this guy over there. Let's clear the list. Okay, and we got a player there, and let's ask for a custom player here.
In 2166, an immortal tyrant.
So that was a custom player. So let's make some better changes to that player. Cut this off. Look to see what kind of player we made right there. Right there. Okay. We gotta look at everything. So let's go down and do something to the player. No, we don't want a red color, but we want a thing happening. Number 8. I just like put a skin and go to custom player still. Alright. And okay, yeah, let's do because we're doing a really big player, so.
In 2166, an immortal tyrant named Vandal Savage conquered the world.
So that is the player. You understand? That is the player now that you will get to work with. And that's one of my VGA players. Okay, so there are other ways that we would imagine to do that also. You can open template, right? And inject the template in. Yeah.
In 2166, an immortal tyrant.
So because that template is there, right? So really this is a short one. We don't want to really make it too long for the video will be really too bored. But it's an introduction to the VGA studio, and I'm HM5 studio. And in the same concept, let's clear the code box for me. So yeah, this is gonna have, because if you want to say, you see them, it's where you upgrade to Pro and all that kind of stuff. You upgrade to a Pro version of the thing, and I guess along the way you guys have been seeing the Pro version being made in front of your face, right? But this is a more website house version of it. But we're gonna put in all the good new features, right? So over VGA, what we take for sign up for a free HTML5 program thing, you'll be signing up for this right here. So you get a first-hand view of what it is, and I'll have more in there for you. So let's clean out the portion of this right here. And instead of actually injecting a custom player which is represents a custom video player, we'll decide to use a custom audio player. And we'll go back to the template zone. And but this time, before we go to the template and put something inside the template, we're gonna get a little style, because it's rather with music and stuff like that. Let's give it the background of the WS tape music background. Go back to the template and click that in, and then we should like close that out, and we should like open here and we should check that out.
In 2166, an immortal
So that's a good look for web.
In 2166.
So I was still building this, you know, so I still have a large screen thing in there to make the video, make the audio player large too, like that. But we know, depends. I may keep or don't keep. But let's look for the inner web version. So okay, everyone. So this is the VGA audio player as well. That's built into the system. But when you come in the future, it's not going to have this control here, because it's just basically, you know, I created it from my video player by eliminating some stuff, and still went in, and let's look at code. Go here at the development house. We are also here at the lab, and I'm able educating you guys that you can see some stuff that I'm always doing. Even though I'm using my video information, I change from video to audio, right? But I'm still talking to the video script as well. So I'm talking to my video script, and when I talk to my video script, it's almost like saying, hey, you know what I really want? I really just want you to give me the audio. I don't want you to give me the video. And that's a result of this. So now I can remove this now. So automatically, this video script and all that is registered in my name. So I have my own VGA audio player and video player. And yes, I can make it into Wave Player, because I have Wave Surfer. I'm hooked up with them, and they ever send me every update. Just I don't have find time to just start putting the wave onto the audio, but I'm gonna do that too. Thanks for viewing our updates at VGA smtvs.com. If you need some definite web work done, you're online, you're trying to get your own selling port, so you can sell your music, control your own sale, your own distribution. Yes, you need to talk to us. Okay, thanks a lot.